Let me carry this. Oh, wait, Lilian. And they will go to the river to fish, to wash clothes. Uy, Bella! Good morning, guys. Ay, ang lamig ngayon. Alas 6 ng umaga. You see? Ang dami pa naming lilinisin dito. Look. Tapos ipaano ko yan mamaya. Ipadabok. Look at the sun. Ang ganda ng sikat ng araw. Malamig lang. Itong bahay dito, guys, walang nakatira. Yung mga gamit, dyan pa nilagay lahat. Yung mga gamit sa paggawa ng bahay. Tapos dito naman, mama. Ano din yan, nire-repair. Morning, dogi-dogi. Oh, wait, Lilian. And they will go to the river to fish, to wash clothes. Uy, Bella! Wait! Hala! You're not going there. Call mo. Muraro is here. Muraro. Ma'am Rosalie is sending 2,000 Kenyan shilling. You 1,000 and Jeria 1,000.
Wow, that is
for
good.
labor.
That is good.
Yeah.
Tell her thanks.
Say
God to
thank.
bless her. Thank you, Ma'am Rosalie.
Okay.
God to bless you so much.
Yeah.
Hey, people here now will be suffering
Why?
because of that fight from the other side.
Until now,
You know,
there's
yesterday-
fight daw, guys.
yesterday,
Fighting the Maasai and
Abagusi.
Bagusi.
You know, yesterday at evening times, the Maasai chased the people of that side, Nigeria there. They entered the.
This down there,
Yeah.
the one
No,
is
in
near
that
the
process.
river.
No.
Mokomoni.
Where the grandfather of Nigeria is there.
Ah,
They
that
entered in the houses.
who?
Oh, in that process, they were killed like hens, chickens. Now Maasai have died, many.
Oh,
But they also find Apagus, the one who was carrying charcoal from the other side. They killed also.
who?
And the police,
Mm.
they shoot those two Maasai.
So why they are fighting? You explain.
It's because of, how can I say, that there was one Maasai and one man of Bagusi here. They were fighting for a lady in the bar.
Lady.
Yeah.
Because of the lady.
Now that of Bagusi killed that Maasai because of that lady.
And then the Maasai, they want to revenge.
Now they want to revenge.
Oh.
The process, now they are dying more.
Who? They will not come here.
When it will come here, you will see.
Hey! I will run away.
No, they will not come here. They fight only down here. They fear this side. You know our people, they don't joke. Last time they killed the 7 Maasai. Yeah.
Puntahan namin si Jeria, guys, doon sa tubod na may tubig. Si Muraro to mag-iigib ng come here. Come here. Oh. Wow. Si Bella, gusto niya si Kuya Muraro magbitbit sa kanya. Umiiyak siya kanina kasi biyaan ni Muraro. Gusto niya kasama siya. Nagbitbit din ako. Maglaba ako doon ng jacket ko. This is Lilian, taga ano na ni Mama. kanang tagaluto ba. Tagaluto ni mama niya. May na lang para may kasi matatanda na yun sila guys, hindi na masyadong maka move, tapos may sakit na din. May nagigive ng tubig. Muraro, Jeria washing in Mokomoni is just down there. It's not this side. Oh, I thought it's let her pass first. Go.
Eta? Go, pass. Go.
Wow. Muraro, that is pain. Ay, this sandal I use is pain. It's not good for walking.
That's exchange that.
No, you have big.
No.
You have big feet. Oy.
No, you have feet.
No, it's you want to break my sandal. Huh? Lapit na kami. So we're near the road. Hirap dito mag-ano ng tubig guys pag walang ulan. Pero uulan ngayon. Morning. Which side we go?
Go this side.
Okay.
Give, Bella. Give. Wait.
They are looking here. Bella is like she want to sleep.
No. You want the one to carry that thing?
That's why she want to do like this. Ay, ang pisi, Muraro.
Naro. You walk on.
Malapit na kami guys. Medyo distansya din yung pagkuha ng tubig dito. Nakop po. Where is Jeria now? Is there washing? Let me help the Jeria to wash.
When we come, the second trip we go.
Okay. You put also in the toilet, ha? One. Let me carry this. Bakiri. Eh. Ay, nandun si Jeria, o, nakikita niyo. Ganyan maglaba. Dito, nakatuwad. Let me pass this side. Bella, bye-bye. Bella? Come here, Bella. Ito mga bata na gano. Doon pala sa malapit ay konti lang daw ang tubig. So, ayan tubig. Mamaya ko na lang i-video. Cheria, let me help you. Ha? Come here. Marunong ka na magano simangot mukha mo ha. Let me wash it.
Hey, Bella. Come here, Bella. Come, we go home.
Put there.
The battery is running low.
Put there. Put here. Put. What to rinse again? Put it like this. Whatever they are watching. The way I wash, I sit down.
That is good. Come, we go home.
Malinis yung tubig, guys. Tubod. Sa atin tubod dito. Dito sila kumukuha ng mainom. Ti drink it, ti direct. It's unlimited water. Nandun si Jeria naglalaba. Naglalaba ako dyan kanina. Umupo ako sa may kahoyan kasi maglalaba sila ganyan. Oh, nakatuwad. Masakit sa sa likod. Pina-charge ko yung phone ko doon kasi solar yung gamit namin dito sa village. And Moraro is here carrying for food for Jeria. Someone washing it. After this, they will carry up the... Ay, masakit yung likod ko. Kunti lang yung nilabahan ko, pero... Diyan ako nakaupo. Ala, slide. Ala! Wah! Diyan natatapos, guys. Naglaba ako diyan, oh. Numupo ako sa may kahoy. Kasi maglaba sila dito nakatuwad. Sakit sa hawak. Si Jeriana at saka dito si Margaret. Magtatapos sa mga labahin. Uwi na kami kasi I will cook food there. Okay, Jeria. There's one like... Hi! His Jeria is love food. It's too much love food. There's one like this there. Let's go. Let's go na, Jeria. Jeria, you rinse this one. I will carry it.
It is off.
They carry sugar cane to eat his snacks. Okay. Put this so that I carry going up there. You almost finished, Margaret. No? No, yeah, it's a lot. No, it's small now. go now. Okay, magluluto ako doon. Uy, moraro. Dito yung donkey.
It will fall down.
Ha?
Ay.
Kahangak nga dalan. Why?
Bella is too heavy.
Put it down.
To walk.
Yeah. Ay, hindi ka masasanay dito ay maano talaga. Nakapagod. Pero sa kanila parang ano na. Kasi nasasanay naman sila. Kunti lang yung dala ko pero ay, gihangak ko maayo.